Welcome to VeeBee Coding. You can call me Bee, or just the initials VeeBee for short. And this is Bee Bytes, where I take one of my previous tutorials and I make it short. Today's video is going to be on delete and truncate. The different methods that we'll go over for delete are using the where clause, using like, referencing a work table, using exists or not exists, and then there's truncate. To remove data from a table, you could say delete from, enter table name. You can add a where clause saying where a column is equal to a certain value. You can also say where a value in a column is like something else. The percent signs are your wildcards. So if you want to say where a column value starts with ABC, then do like ABC percent sign. If you want to say where a column value ends in ABC, then do percent sign ABC. Or you can just put percent signs just within the string at all. You can put it in the middle, and it's just going to look for where that value is like that string whatsoever. Next up, you can do a delete based off of a work table. And what is a work table? A work table is just a temporary table that you made that other scripts can reference. In this temporary table, you can import data, so it's holding just the population that you want to impact. So that way you can join your main table to your work table, and that way you're only deleting the records that you expect to delete. You can also say where exists. So type in where exists and then in parentheses do select and then just put a hard-coded value like X. That's totally fine. From the work table, and then do a join between your main table and your work table. So again, you can do exists or not exists depending on what you are looking for. And then there's truncate. So you can do delete from table, or you can do truncate table and say the table name. Both will essentially do the same thing of removing records, but the delete script will run slower because it is going to make sure that each row matches that criteria within that script, whereas truncate, it's just going to delete data. It's truncate table is just going to empty that table no matter what, so that's why it runs faster. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.